Welcome to the Scarlett by Design Homes. Come on in, let's take a look. Some of the things we love about the Scarlett are 3 dedicated bedrooms in the main level, open concept. You have your great room, kitchen, dedicated dining, as well as this beautiful linear fireplace that has floor to ceiling tile. A couple key features of this kitchen are the quartz countertops, the cabinets on the back side of the island for added storage, and the large walk-in pantry. The primary bath features split vanities, a nice large soaking tub, and the best part about it is the 0-entry walk-in shower. The Scarlett is a split floor plan with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath that has a tub and beautifully tiled walls. I'm absolutely obsessed with the light fixtures in the powder room on this home. The mud hall leading to the spacious laundry room features a shiplap accent wall with plenty of hooks for all of those coats and some beautiful accent lighting. The laundry room has ample countertop space, a drop-in laundry tub sink, and plenty of space for the washer and dryer. We love an open staircase with horizontal railing, but let's head downstairs to check out that 4th bedroom and full bath that the Scarlett has to offer. This lower level has a spacious finished rec room, 9-foot ceiling heights, daylight window, and rough-in for a wet bar. In addition to the 4th bedroom and full bath. Let's go check it out. The full bath has a spacious vanity, a linen closet, and a shower with a tile look and built-in bench seat. Another favorite feature of the Scarlett is that it has a covered patio on the front of the home and a covered deck on the rear of the home right off of that dedicated dining. Let's check it out.